Hello grade 10s and welcome to another mathematics lesson. Right now we're going to start doing some end of chapter exercises under the topic of algebraic expressions. Here we go. I modified this from siavola.com, so please take it down. Number 1 states, write each of the following decimals as simple fractions. 1.1, we have 0.26, so 0 and then comma 26, 2 digits after the comma, so this is just going to be 26 over 100. Now 26 is not a prime number, right? So just going to enter 26 over 100, and final answer is 13 over 50. 13 is a prime number and 50 is not a prime number. 1.2, we have 0.045, so this is going to be 0.123. So underneath it's going to be 1,000. 0, we don't write it down, so we write 45. Or you can just enter 0.045 on your casual calculator. You get 9 over 200. So the final answer is 9 over 200. I hope that is clear, and I hope that makes sense. 1.3, we have 2.82 recurring. Okay, so it's a recurring decimal, right? Here we can't just enter it into the calculator. It's going to require calculation. So you use the let method. So we let 2.82 recurring be equal to x, right? And then how many recurring digits are there? It's 2. So we multiply everything by 100. So 100 times x is 100 times 2.82 recurring. 100x is 100 times, sorry, this is supposed to be times. 100 times 2.82 recurring. We move the comma 2 spaces forward, so it's going to be 282.82 recurring, right? Then we're going to say 100x minus x is equal to, what is 100x? 282.82 recurring minus, what is x? 2.82 recurring. The 82 recurring will subtract each other, so it's 282 minus 2. 100 minus x is 99x. 282 minus 2 is 280. Divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 99. X is 280 over 99. Therefore, 2.82 recurring is 280 over 99. Let's see if this is true. 2.828282828. So it's going to continue just like that. So therefore, we are correct. I hope that is clear, and I hope that makes sense. Number 2 states, use your calculator when necessary and write the following numbers correct to 4 decimal places and state whether the numbers are rational or irrational. A, we have the square root of 11. So 11 is a prime number. Square root of a prime number. Irrational. So square root of 11 is 3, 3166 2479. To 4 decimal places, look at the 1 2 3 4. Fifth digit 2 is insignificant, so it's 3,3166, and it is irrational. B, cube root of 2197. So the cube root of 2197. 13. To 4 decimal digits, it's just 13,0000. It can be written as a fraction. It's 13 over 1, so therefore it is rational. C, square root of 0,81. Square root of 0,81 is 9 over 10, which is 0,9. To 4 decimal places, 0,900. This is the simplest form, so therefore it is rational. Okay. D, the fourth root of 0,0016. The fourth root of 0,0016. I'm getting it's 1 over 5, which is 0,2, which is 0,2000. So here it's supposed to be 9000, because it's 4 decimal places. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Made a mistake there. Can be written as a fraction, so rational. E, pi squared. Pi squared 9,8696. 04401, which is 9,8696. Pi by definition is irrational, even though you'd be mathematically correct in saying pi over 1 is a fraction, but by definition pi is irrational. I hope that was clear, and I hope all of that made sense. Number 3 states, expand the following product. Roman numeral number 1, 2 open bracket, a plus 3 close bracket squared. So this is going to be 2. You repeat the bracket twice, a plus 3. 2. FOIL, a times a squared. A times positive 3, plus 3a, plus 3 times a, plus 3a, positive 3 times positive 3 is plus 9. A squared, like times 3 plus 3a, plus 6a, plus 9. Removing the 2, 2 times a squared is 2a squared. 2 times positive 6a is plus 12a. 2 times positive 9 plus 18. I hope that is clear, and I hope that makes sense. Roman numeral number 2, negative 4 open bracket b minus 6 close bracket squared. So this is negative 4 b minus 6 b minus 6. Negative 4 b times b, b squared, b times negative 6 minus 6b, negative 6 times b minus 6b, negative 6 times negative 6, positive 36. Negative 4 b squared, negative 6b minus 6b minus 12b plus 36. Negative 4 times b squared, negative 4b squared, negative times negative, positive 4 times 12, 48b, negative times positive, negative 4 times 36, 144. So that's the final answer. I hope that is clear and I hope that makes sense. Roman numeral number 3, 7 open bracket, negative 5c minus 3, close bracket, open bracket 11c plus 13, close bracket. 7, negative 5c times 11c, negative 5 times 11, negative 55c squared, negative 5c times 13, negative 65c, then negative 3 times 11, negative 33c, negative 3 times 13, negative 39, like times negative 55c squared, negative 65 minus 33, negative 98c minus 39. 7 times negative 55, negative 385 c squared, negative 686 c minus 273. I hope that is clear and I hope that makes sense. Roman numeral number 4, negative 8x open bracket 9y minus 10 close bracket squared. Negative 8x 9y minus 10, 9y minus 10. Going to use FOIL. Negative 8x 9y times 9y, 81y squared, 9y times negative 10 minus 90y, negative 10 times 9y minus 90y, negative 10 times negative 10 plus 100. Negative 8x 81y squared minus negative 90 minus 90, negative 180y plus 100. Okay. Negative 8 times 81, negative 648. X times y squared is xy squared. Negative times negative, positive. Negative 8 times, 8 times 180. 1440. X times y is xy. Negative times positive is negative. 8 times 100 is 800. Then you have x. It's always my lack of space problem, but please grin and bear with it. Roman numeral number 5. Open bracket 10d plus 12z close bracket. Open bracket 10d minus 12z close bracket. So we're just going to FOIL. 10d times 10d, 100d squared. 10d times negative 12z. 10 times negative 12, negative 120 dz. 12z times 10d plus 120 dz. Then positive 12z times negative 12z. Positive times negative is negative. 12 times 12 is 144. Z times z is z squared. So the final answer, negative 120 dz plus 120 dz, 100d squared minus or plus 0 dz, then minus 144 z squared. It's just 0. So the final answer is 100d squared minus 144 z squared. I hope that is clear and I hope that makes sense. Number 4 states, factorize the following. 4.1. 2e squared minus 50. The common factor is 2. 2e squared divided by 2. The 2's are gone. You have e squared minus 50 divided by 2. 25. I know you think you are done, but in the bracket you have a difference of 2 squares. It's going to be 2. Square root of e squared, it's e. Square root of 25, 5. Here it's positive, here it's negative. Now you are done. It is completely factorized. 4.2 negative 3f squared plus 12 over 49. Now here you have to deal with the numerators. Is 12 divisible by 3 or negative 3? 12 divided by 3 is 4. So therefore the common factor is negative 3f. Sorry, negative 3. Negative 3x f squared divided by negative 3. The negatives are gone. You have f squared. Positive divided by negative. Negative. 12 over 49 divided by 3. Let's see. Oh. Four over 49. Aha. Now this one is a bit difficult. Square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 49 is 7. So this is going to be negative 3. Square root of f squared is f. Square root of 4, 2 over square root of 49, 7. 2 over 7. Here it's plus, here it's minus. I hope that is clear and I hope that makes sense. 4.3. 81 minus 16x to the power of 4. Okay, so what is the square root of 81? It's 9. What is the square root of 16? It's 4. Square root of x to the power of 4 is x to the power of 2. So 9, 4x squared, 4x squared. Plus, minus. Okay, but wait. Square root of 9 is 3. Square root of 4x squared is, square root of 4 is 2. Square root of x squared is x. So once again, it's going to be 9 plus 4x squared. Square root of 9 is 3. Square root of 4x squared is 2x. One will be positive and one will be negative. I hope that is clear and I hope that makes sense. (4.4) 5h squared minus 35h minus 220. Quadratic trinomial. Is there a common factor of a number? Yes, 5. 5h squared divided by 5, they cancel each other out. You have h squared minus 35 divided by 5, 7h minus 220 divided by 5, 44. 44 divided by 1. 44 minus 1 is 43. Divided by 2. 22 minus 2 is 20. 3 can't. 4. 11 minus 4 is 7. Here is 7. 5. So 11, 7. H. Give the bigger number the sign of the middle term. Negative goes here, positive goes here. I hope that is clear and I hope that makes sense. 4.5. 10k to the power of 3 plus 20k to the power of 2 minus 350k. So we have two common factors. That of a number is 10, that of an alphabet is k. So outside we're going to have 10k. 10 divided by 10 is 1. K to the power of 3 divided by k. K to the power of 3 minus 1 is k squared plus 20 divided by 10, 2. K to the power of 2 divided by k. K to the power of 2 minus 1, which is k to the power of 1, which is just k, minus 350 divided by 10, 35. K divided by k, it's k to the power of 0, which is 1. 1 times 35 is 35. Now we have to see inside 35. Factors of 35. 35 minus 1 is 34. 2 is not. 3 is not. 4 is not. 5 is a factor. 7 minus 5 is 2. Here is 2. So 10k. K 5, 7. Give the bigger number the sign of the middle term. Positive, 5 is bigger. Negative. Okay, I hope that is clear and I hope that makes sense. Now please forgive me. I haven't prepared part 2 yet, which is going to be from another source. I'm sorry for that. However, if you found this video helpful in any way, please click the like button and subscribe for more content. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you again.